this is story suppression. You have a big guy trying to punish a news outlet for something that they put out there into the world. They decide to punish that organization not only as payback, but most likely to give a statement to the entire community. You put something out that we don't like, you cut off. We'll keep talking about it on this show until, I don't know, the old guys in boardrooms finally understand, or eventually they die off. You try to hide something, suppress something, especially by trying to hurt or punish others. All you're doing is making it so that people like...
Уебать тебя сейчас бочину, блядь. Ой, бить. На, блядь! Где сохранить? Есть такая кнопочка, да?